we've got AUDUSD. We can see on the daily time frame we've had our break of structure in towards the upside, and this is the current swing range that we're trading within. We have seen a liquidation of this low, which is a major point within this overall impulse, and there is only one further point of liquidity open, but that's right down at the swing low. So now, to follow the daily bias, I want to see the supply zone that's in control break. As you can see, this is the current supply zone that is in control, but we have already made a connection to this and we have started to sell off. So what I would ideally see now is a break of this low here, creating this area of supply. Then we see the price push back up, swipe the early buyers, push up, break this high, and then that says to me that upon the retest we can then look for those longs in towards the upside. If we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, what that would look like is we can see we've had our break of structure in towards the downside, swing high, swing low. We've had a liquidation of this high here, so this could be the perfect move down now, expecting a close below this level. When that happens, this would be the swing range, so that would be a high, and your low would be somewhere down here. And then at that point I'd be looking to see these lower time frame supplies zones break, and then that would say to me that we are ready to start targeting the highs. If we move on to NZDUSD, we can see that we've had our daily break of structure, and this is the current swing range that we're trading within. We've seen a liquidation of this low, and we've seen an initial V-shaped reversal in towards the upside. However, following the dollar strength that we've been seeing, we are technically 4-hour swing bearish. We've had one break in towards the downside here, followed by another break of structure in towards the downside here. This is the current swing range that we're trading within, and once we see a break of this high, that would confirm that we are ready to start targeting higher prices following the daily swing range. However, it is important to note that this is the supply chain that's currently pushing price in towards the downside, and if we break this low again, we'll have this supply zone as well. So the immediate momentum is strong in towards the downside, and I would want to wait until we see a clear break and close above this high to confirm to me that price is ready to start reversing.